Welcome to today's video where we dive deep into the fascinating world of Roosevelt dimes, one of the most iconic and highly sought-after coins in the United States. If you're a coin collector or just curious about rare coins with impressive value, then you're in the right place. The Roosevelt dime has a rich history, unique design, and some rare additions that have made it a treasure for collectors worldwide. In today's action-packed market, these rare Roosevelt dimes are commanding big dollar values, and we're going to explore exactly why. Let's get started. First up, the 1969 Roosevelt dime with the Denver Mint mark. This coin, though often overlooked in everyday pocket change, holds immense value and significance for collectors. If you've ever wondered whether a humble dime in your change jar could be worth hundreds or even thousands, you won't want to miss this. The 1969 D. Roosevelt dime is not just a piece of currency, it's a historical treasure that's making waves in today's coin auction markets. The Roosevelt dime series began in 1946. Following the death of President Franklin D. Roosevelt, a leader deeply admired for his role during the Great Depression and World War II. The dime was chosen to honor Roosevelt's efforts in founding the March of Dimes, a campaign that helped combat polio in the United States. Fast forward to 1969, and the Denver Mint struck millions of these dimes. Yet a specific subset of them stands out dramatically in today's collector world. These coins are now becoming increasingly difficult to find in circulation, especially in well-preserved condition, which makes the 1969 D. Roosevelt dime a spotlight piece in the numismatic community. What makes the 1969 D. Roosevelt dime so special? First, it carries the clear and bold D mint mark, just to the left of the base of Roosevelt's torch on the reverse side, indicating it was minted in Denver. Coins from this year are admired for their strong strike quality and classic design that has endured for decades. But what truly sets some of these dimes apart is the possibility of unique die varieties or rare errors that were only discovered by keen-eyed collectors. These can include double dies, misalignments, or other fascinating anomalies that skyrocket their desirability. Even without such features, well-kept 1969 D dimes, in original circulated condition, are increasingly valued due to their age and diminishing numbers in the wild. Rarity plays a massive role in the coin's current status in the market. The fact that millions were made doesn't mean they're all equal. Over the decades, heavy circulation has worn down most dimes from 1969, and high-grade examples with minimal wear are now extremely hard to find. Collectors are particularly interested in coins that show strong details, original mint luster, and very little surface damage. Coins in even decent circulated condition are being scooped up by collectors as they become more scarce, which increases their value and demand exponentially. This rarity in good condition is what's driving such a surge in market interest today. In today's coin market, the 1969 D. Roosevelt dime, in circulated condition, can easily fetch significantly more than its face value. Coins in average circulated condition may trade hands for $80,000, but when you find one in better shape, say with strong detail and fewer marks, the price can jump to $170,000 or more. And if you happen to come across an uncirculated specimen or one with an error, the value can climb into the $300,000 mark in some cases. Auction houses and online marketplaces have seen a growing number of bids for this coin, making it clear that the 1969 D dime is not only a collector's item, but also a smart investment. For collectors hoping to find or invest in the 1969 D. Roosevelt dime, now is the time to act. Start by carefully examining your pocket change and coin jars. These coins are still out there, just waiting to be discovered. Visit local coin shops, attend trade shows, and check online platforms regularly. Focus on coins with minimal wear, legible lettering, and intact reeded edges. If you're aiming for serious value, look for dimes that might have mint errors or exceptionally sharp detail. Always consider grading your coin professionally to maximize its value in the market. Staying informed and keeping a trained eye can turn an ordinary dime into an extraordinary opportunity. The 1969 D. Roosevelt dime is much more than a small piece of change. It's a slice of American history, a tribute to a great leader, and today, a valuable treasure in the coin collecting world. Its growing rarity and strong collector demand make it one of the most exciting coins to watch and hunt for. Whether you're a seasoned numismatist or just starting your journey, keeping an eye out for this dime could lead to a rewarding discovery. Next up, the incredible 1967 Roosevelt one dime without a mint mark, especially in very good condition. This seemingly ordinary 10-cent piece has quietly risen in popularity, becoming a star in today's rare coin auctions and attracting attention for its unique background, historic importance, and rising market value. If you've got one of these tucked away in your collection, you might be sitting on a true hidden treasure. To understand why the 1967 Roosevelt dime is making waves today, we need to go back to its roots. This dime was issued during a pivotal time in U.S. coinage history. Following the Coinage Act of 1965, the U.S. Mint made significant changes to the metal composition of coins due to rising silver prices. By 1967, dimes no longer contained any silver and were instead made with a clad composition. What makes this year even more interesting is that the U.S. Mint had temporarily stopped placing mint marks on coins to discourage hoarding. As a result, all 1967 dimes came without a mint mark, yet not all are created equal. Coins that have survived in excellent condition from this transitional era are now considered valuable collectibles due to their limited preservation and historical significance. The 1967 Roosevelt dime boasts a clean, modern design featuring the left-facing profile of President Franklin D. Roosevelt on the obverse, a tribute to the beloved leader and architect of the New Deal. The reverse showcases the iconic torch, flanked by an olive branch and oak branch, symbolizing liberty, peace, and strength. But the standout feature for collectors is the absence of a mint mark, a characteristic specific to this rare period. Combine that with a high-grade condition, and you've got a coin that jumps out in any collection, drawing the eye of hobbyists and seasoned numismatists alike. While millions of 1967 dimes were produced, what truly sets certain pieces apart is their condition and eye appeal. Coins graded as very good or higher, especially those that have avoided heavy circulation wear, are highly sought after. With time taking its toll on many of these coins, finding one with sharp details, minimal scratches, and solid luster is increasingly rare. Collectors know that the value of a coin skyrockets with its preservation state, and because of this, well-maintained 1967 Roosevelt dimes, without mint marks, are climbing the charts in terms of desirability and investment potential. As of today, the 1967 Roosevelt dime in very good to extremely fine condition is drawing serious attention in coin shows and online auction platforms. While its face value is just 10 cents, collectors are seeing these coins sell for anywhere between $300,000 and sometimes even higher, depending on specific grading and eye appeal. In top-tier condition or with striking features that stand out, the value can climb well beyond the typical range. The demand is strong, and market analysts agree these coins are on the rise. This is more than just pocket change. It's a smart collectible with genuine value. If you're looking to add this gem to your collection, or maybe just discovered one in your coin jar, here are some pro tips. First, preserve it properly. Keep it in a protective sleeve or holder to avoid wear. Second, get it graded if it looks like it's in exceptional condition. Certified coins almost always command higher prices. And finally, stay active in collector communities, whether it's online auctions, forums, or local coin clubs. Knowledge is power, and being informed helps you make smart buying, selling, and trading decisions. Remember, the Roosevelt dime from 1967 isn't just a coin, it's a piece of American history with growing value. In conclusion, the 1967 Roosevelt one dime without a mint mark is more than meets the eye. With its historical background, distinctive features, and increasing rarity in high grades, this coin is capturing the hearts and wallets of collectors across the nation. Its rise in market value is a testament to its unique place in U.S. numismatic history. So if you come across one, hold on to it, because it's not just 10 cents. It's a collectible that could be worth much, much more. Next up, the Roosevelt dime from 1977, proudly stamped with the D mint mark. This coin isn't just any ordinary dime, it carries a unique place in numismatic history. and has been capturing the attention of collectors and investors alike. If you're a coin enthusiast or just beginning your collection journey, understanding why this particular dime stands out in the market is crucial. So let's explore the remarkable story and significance behind a 1977 Roosevelt dime with the Denver mint mark. The history and background of the Roosevelt dime trace back to 1946, when the coin was first introduced to honor the legacy of President Franklin D. Roosevelt, a beloved figure in American history. The coin was designed by John R. Sinnott, whose creation combined simplicity with elegance, making the Roosevelt dime instantly recognizable. By 1977, this dime had become a staple in everyday currency, yet certain mint marks from that year, especially those from the Denver Mint, have since gained notable prominence in the collector community. The 1977 Roosevelt dime with the D mint mark carries not only the legacy of an iconic president, but also the story of an era in American minting that holds great appeal for collectors today. What makes the 1977 Roosevelt D dime truly stand out are its unique features. While at first glance it may seem like any other dime, the D mint mark indicates it was minted in Denver, which often produced fewer coins compared to other facilities during that time. The coin's composition of 75% copper and 25% nickel has maintained its lustrous appearance exceptionally well, especially when preserved in excellent condition. The sharpness of the details on the coin, such as Roosevelt's profile, the date, and the mint mark itself, make this dime a beautiful example of mid-20th century coin craftsmanship. For collectors, the visual appeal paired with the historical significance creates a powerful combination that drives demand. Speaking of demand, the rarity and condition of the 1977 Roosevelt D dime make it a prized possession. Although the coin was minted in significant numbers, finding one in excellent or mint state condition is becoming increasingly rare. This scarcity has pushed the coin into a category of high collector demand, especially for those who focus on completing Roosevelt dime series or seek coins from specific mints. The pristine condition of a coin dramatically elevates its desirability because it showcases the original beauty and detail without the wear and tear that most circulated coins experience. This exceptional preservation is a testament to careful handling by previous owners and enhances the coin's market value significantly. In today's active coin market, the 1977 Roosevelt dime with the D mint mark in excellent condition commands a substantial dollar value. As collectors and investors recognize its rarity and significance, prices have steadily climbed, reflecting a healthy and enthusiastic market. Depending on the grade, whether it's extremely fine, almost uncirculated, or mint state, this dime can fetch anywhere from several dollars well into the tens or even hundreds of dollars, especially if certified by reputable grading services. The consistent appreciation of this coin speaks volumes about its status as a valuable asset in any collection, making it a smart choice for those looking to add both historical importance and financial potential to their numismatic portfolio. For collectors looking to acquire or safeguard their own 1977 Roosevelt D dime, a few expert tips can make all the difference. First, always seek coins that have been professionally graded to ensure authenticity and condition. Avoid coins that show excessive wear, corrosion, or cleaning marks, as these factors can reduce the coin's value. It's also wise to build relationships with reputable dealers and stay updated on market trends, as demand for this coin continues to grow. Additionally, consider storing your coin properly in protective holders to maintain its excellent condition over time. By taking these steps, collectors can confidently invest in a piece of numismatic history that will only increase in allure and value. In conclusion, the 1977 Roosevelt dime with a D mint mark is far more than just a small coin. It is a symbol of American heritage, meticulous craftsmanship, and a thriving collector's market. Its rarity in excellent condition makes it a gem for enthusiasts and investors alike, combining historical significance with tangible financial value. Whether you're just starting your collection or looking to enhance it, this particular dime represents a golden opportunity to own a piece of history that is both beautiful and highly sought after. As demand continues to rise, Now is the perfect time to recognize and appreciate the outstanding value of the 1977 Roosevelt D dime. Next up, the Roosevelt dime from 1990, bearing the coveted D mint mark. This particular dime is not just an everyday coin you might find loose in your pocket change. It holds a special place in the hearts of collectors and investors alike. Despite being a relatively modern coin, the 1990 D Roosevelt dime in circulation condition has emerged as a rare and highly sought-after piece, capturing attention in the numismatic market for its unique features and significant dollar value. If you're curious about what makes this coin so exceptional, you've come to the right place. Let's explore its story, distinct characteristics, and why it's turning heads in the coin collecting community. To appreciate the 1990 D Roosevelt dime's value, we first need to understand its rich history and background. The Roosevelt dime series was introduced in 1946 to honor President Franklin D. Roosevelt, a figure beloved for his leadership and the establishment of the March of Dimes campaign. This design has stood the test of time, maintaining its place as a staple of American coinage for decades. The D mint mark on this coin signifies its origin from the Denver Mint, a facility known for producing many of the nation's coins with remarkable precision. While millions of Roosevelt dimes have been minted over the years, the 1990 D dime in circulation condition is distinctive because of a combination of production factors and preservation conditions that have made it unexpectedly rare and valuable today. One of the standout features that set this coin apart is its mint mark D, which is especially important in the collector's world. Unlike the more common Philadelphia or San Francisco mint marks, Denver coins from this era in circulation condition are more difficult to find in top quality, making them highly prized. The 1990 D dime features the classic Roosevelt profile, with sharp details on the obverse, including the facial features and the inscriptions, while the reverse showcases the torch, olive branch, and oak branch with crisp relief. What makes this coin unique is not just its design, but the fact that circulation examples with well-preserved detail and minimal wear are extremely scarce, which elevates their desirability among collectors who seek coins that tell a story of both history and endurance. When it comes to rarity and condition, the 1990 D Roosevelt dime in circulation condition commands significant collector demand. Coins from this period were widely used in everyday transactions, leading to most specimens showing noticeable wear. However, those few that have retained their original luster and fine details have become hidden gems. The coin's rarity in circulation condition is compounded by the high standards collectors apply when assessing wear, strike quality, and eye appeal. This dime's scarcity in such well-preserved condition makes it a must-have for anyone building a collection focused on modern rare coins or Roosevelt dime varieties. The growing interest from numismatists ensures that this coin remains a prized possession and a smart investment piece. The current market value of the 1990 D Roosevelt dime in circulation condition is impressively strong, reflecting its rarity and high collector demand. Depending on the coin's grade and eye appeal, prices have soared well beyond typical face value, reaching into the $70,000 for coins that exhibit exceptional quality. This is particularly remarkable given the dime's modest, silver-free composition, emphasizing that rarity and condition trump metal content in today's market. Auction results and dealer listings consistently demonstrate a vibrant interest in this coin, making it a valuable asset for both new and seasoned collectors. The upward trend in prices confirms the coin's status as a sought-after piece in the modern numismatic landscape. For collectors who want to add the 1990 D Roosevelt dime to their collections, there are a few important tips to keep in mind. Always seek coins that display minimal wear, strong strike details, and pleasing overall aesthetics. Working with reputable dealers or participating in trusted auctions can help ensure authenticity and fair pricing. It's also beneficial to understand grading standards so you can accurately assess the coin's condition and potential value. Since this dime is highly demanded, acting promptly when a well-preserved specimen becomes available can make a big difference in securing a valuable addition to your collection. Remember, this coin represents not just a piece of currency, but a tangible connection to American history and a smart investment opportunity. In conclusion, the 1990 D. Roosevelt dime in circulation condition is far from ordinary. It stands as a rare, highly prized coin that embodies the perfect blend of historical significance, unique mint mark identity, and scarcity in excellent condition. Collectors and investors recognize its value and competitive market presence, making it a shining star in modern numismatics. Dime. Whether you're a seasoned coin enthusiast or just starting your journey, this dime offers a thrilling opportunity to own a piece that combines beauty, rarity, and strong market demand. Keep your eyes open, stay informed, and you might just discover this remarkable coin to enrich your collection and investment portfolio. Next up, the Roosevelt dime from 1994, bearing the distinctive P mint mark. This coin, especially in very fine condition, has captured the attention of numismatists and investors alike, and for good reason. It's not just a dime, it's a piece of history with unique characteristics and a remarkable standing in today's market. So, whether you're a seasoned collector or just starting out, this video will give you valuable insights into why this particular coin is generating such excitement and commanding impressive prices. Let's begin with the history and background of the Roosevelt dime. Introduced in 1946, the Roosevelt dime was created to honor President Franklin D. Roosevelt, a leader who inspired a nation during challenging times. The dime replaced the Mercury dime, featuring Roosevelt's profile on the obverse and a torch, olive branch, and oak branch on the reverse, symbols of liberty, peace, and strength. Fast forward to 1994, and the U.S. Mint continued this legacy with coins struck at multiple mints, including Philadelphia, denoted by the P mint mark. What makes the 1994 Roosevelt dime stand out is not just its design, but the minting quality and the subtle variations that have intrigued collectors over the years. One of the unique features of the 1994 Roosevelt's dime with the P mint mark lies in its impeccable craftsmanship and detail. The coin's composition, comprised primarily of copper and nickel, maintains its brilliant luster and sharpness even after decades. In very fine condition, the coin showcases well-defined edges, clear inscriptions, and a noticeable shine that sets it apart from lower-grade coins. Collectors prize these features because they highlight the coin's preservation and historical integrity, making it an exceptional addition to any collection. The P mint mark itself adds a layer of authenticity and distinction, signaling its origin from the Philadelphian Mint, which is known for producing high-quality coins during that era. Now, when it comes to rarity and collector demand, the 1994 Roosevelt dime P in very fine condition is truly a gem. While Roosevelt dimes were produced in large quantities, finding one from 1994 with the P mint mark in such pristine condition is increasingly difficult, especially as coins age and change hands multiple times. The survival rate of these coins in very fine condition is relatively low, which makes them highly coveted among numismatists. This scarcity, combined with the coin's historical significance and flawless preservation, fuels strong demand in the collector community. People recognize this coin not just as currency, but as a valuable artifact and investment that holds its appeal over time. When we look at the current market value of the 1994 Roosevelt dime with a P mint mark in very fine condition, the numbers are impressive. Thanks to its rarity and demand, prices have steadily climbed, making it a lucrative find for collectors and investors alike. Depending on the exact grade and market conditions, these coins often fetch a premium above their face value, sometimes reaching into the tens or even hundreds of dollars. This value is driven by the coin's appeal, limited availability, and its desirability among those looking to diversify their collections with high-quality, historically significant pieces. It's a perfect example of how a modest coin can grow into a prize asset in the numismatic market. For collectors interested in acquiring or investing in this remarkable coin, there are some key tips to keep in mind. First, always verify the coin's authenticity and condition through reputable grading services, as this ensures you're getting a genuine piece in the stated grade. It's also wise to monitor auction sites and coin shows where rare finds often appear. Building relationships with trusted dealers can open doors to exclusive offers and insider knowledge. Finally, handling coins carefully and storing them properly will preserve their condition and value for years to come. With the 1994 Roosevelt dime P, patience and diligence can lead to acquiring a truly valuable treasure. In conclusion, the 1994 Roosevelt dime with a P mint mark in very fine condition stands as a shining example of numismatic excellence and growing collector enthusiasm. Its rich history, unique features, and increasing rarity make it a must-have for anyone serious about coin collecting or investing. With a strong market value and undeniable appeal, this coin offers not only a glimpse into America's past, but also a promising asset for the future. If you're looking to enhance your collection or explore new investment opportunities, the 1994 Roosevelt dime P is an exceptional choice that continues to attract attention and admiration worldwide. Next up, the 1985 Roosevelt 1 dime with the P mint mark. This seemingly modest dime is turning heads due to its unique history, specific characteristics, and rising demand among collectors. If you have one tucked away in your change jar or coin collection, you might be sitting on something worth far more than 10 cents. Let's explore why this coin is becoming such a prized treasure in today's auction markets. The Roosevelt dime was first introduced in 1946 to honor President Franklin D. Roosevelt, who had passed away the previous year. Since then, it has become a staple of American coinage. The 1985 dime with a P mint mark was struck at the Philadelphia Mint during a time when coin production was high, but quality control and striking conditions varied. While billions of dimes were produced, not all were created equal. The 1985 PP Roosevelt dime stands out today due to the growing interest in coins from the 1,980 cents, an era that's rapidly gaining attention in the numismatic world. This coin represents a blend of historical legacy and emerging collectible value that's captivating both seasoned numismatists and new collectors alike. What makes the 1985 Roosevelt 1 dime with the P mint mark truly unique is not just its age, but the intricate design and features that make it stand apart. It showcases a sharp profile of President Roosevelt, designed by John R. Sinek, with beautiful detail in his hair, facial features, and torch on the reverse side representing liberty, unity, and strength. Collectors especially look for well-centered strikes with full torch bands, which are considered premium condition. In good condition, these coins display a clean surface, visible mint mark, and a vibrant luster that catches the eye of any collector. The P mark, specific to the Philadelphia Mint, adds another level of identity, increasing its appeal for those who collect by mint location. Although the 1985 P dime had a large mintage, high-quality examples in excellent condition are far less common today. Coins that have been preserved well, especially those in uncirculated or mint-state conditions, are becoming increasingly rare. Time has taken its toll on everyday dimes, and the surviving high-grade examples are in strong demand. What fuels the rarity is not only condition, but also the growing interest in 1,980 cents coinage, making this dime a centerpiece for collectors focusing on modern-era coins. Auctions and private sales are seeing aggressive bidding when a high-grade 1985 P Roosevelt dime hits the market, and this surge in demand shows no signs of slowing down. The current market value of the 1985 Roosevelt 1 dime with a P mint mark in good condition is impressively high compared to its face value. While circulated coins may bring in a modest return, those in better conditions, especially in grades MS65 and above, are seeing strong returns. Some have sold for upwards of $450,000, while ultra-premium examples in near-perfect condition can fetch even more, especially when certified by top grading services. Rare full-band dimes from 1985 have been known to sell for over $700,000 in certain auctions. With rising demand and limited supply, the price trend for this coin is clearly on the upswing, making it not only a collector's item, but also a smart investment. If you're a collector looking to add the 1985 P. Roosevelt dime to your collection, or if you suspect you already have one, here are a few things to keep in mind. Always handle coins carefully and store them in protective holders to preserve their condition. Look for coins with sharp detail, clean surfaces, and most importantly, full torch bands, which significantly boost their value. Consider getting your coin professionally graded if it appears to be in mint state. This adds credibility and marketability. Keep an eye on online auctions and collector forums, as they can provide valuable insights into market trends and potential buying opportunities. Most importantly, act quickly. The value of this coin is only going up. The 1985 Roosevelt one dime with a P mint mark is far more than just spare change. It's a shining example of how modern air coins are stepping into the spotlight, gaining both respect and value in today's collector markets. With its historic background, stunning design, growing rarity, and increasing value, this dime is a must-have for anyone serious about numismatics. If you're lucky enough to own one, consider yourself part of a special group that's holding a piece of America's evolving coin legacy. Next up, the Roosevelt dime from 1989, proudly stamped with the P mint mark. This coin is not just a piece of currency, it's a symbol of history, craftsmanship, and a rare gem in today's collector market. If you're a passionate collector or someone curious about valuable coins, this video will open your eyes to why the 1989 Roosevelt dime with a P mint mark, especially in excellent condition, is highly sought after and commands a significant value in dollars today. To truly appreciate this coin, we need to take a quick journey back in time. The Roosevelt dime series, introduced in 1946, was created to honor President Franklin D. Roosevelt, commemorating his leadership and dedication to the American people. The 1989 dime continues this proud tradition with its classic design, struck at the Philadelphia Mint, as indicated by the subtle but crucial P mint mark. This particular year and mint combination has earned a revered spot among collectors due to its limited availability in pristine condition. Over the decades, the Roosevelt dime has remained an iconic emblem of American coinage, making any variant from this series a valuable collector's item. What sets the 1989 P mint mark dime apart are its unique features. Unlike many coins that are mass-produced and easily found in circulation, this dime's quality and minting details make it exceptional. The sharpness of the mint mark, the brilliance of the metal, and the impeccable detail on Roosevelt's profile highlight the superior craftsmanship that makes this coin stand out. Its finish, often preserved beautifully in excellent condition, offers collectors an opportunity to own a piece that not only tells a story, but also shines with a brilliance that catches the eye. This is a coin that speaks to the dedication of the mint and the keen eyes of collectors who recognize its rarity. Rarity is a key factor that drives the immense demand for the 1989 Roosevelt dime with the P mint mark. Coins in excellent or uncirculated condition from this year are not commonly found, making them highly prized. Collectors worldwide actively seek these dimes because they represent a blend of historical significance and scarcity. The superior condition of the coin is critical. A dime with minimal wear and perfect details can fetch considerably more in the marketplace. The rarity, combined with the flawless condition, creates a buzz in collector circles, pushing this coin to a status that goes beyond ordinary change and into the realm of treasured collectibles. When we talk about the current market value of this dime, it's clear that its worth has appreciated impressively over the years. Depending on the condition and grading, the 1989 Roosevelt dime with the P mint mark can command a premium that far exceeds its face value, reaching $500,000 in certain auctions or private sales. The market is vibrant, driven by passionate collectors who recognize the coin's quality. In today's dollar value, owning one of these coins is not just a hobby, but a wise investment. It represents both a tangible piece of American history and a collectible that holds significant financial potential. For collectors eager to add this rare dime to their collection, a few tips can help ensure you acquire the best possible piece. Always look for coins that have been professionally graded and certified, as these guarantees assure the coin's condition and authenticity. Pay attention to the clarity of the P mint mark and the coin's overall luster and sharpness. It's also wise to stay connected with reputable coin dealers and auctions where such high-quality specimens are likely to appear. Patience and knowledge are your best allies in acquiring this prized dime, and securing one in excellent condition will make your collection shine brighter than ever. In conclusion, the 1989 Roosevelt dime with a P mint mark is more than just a coin. It's a highly coveted collector's treasure, combining historical significance, exceptional craftsmanship, and rarity. Its demand in today's market continues to rise, making it a valuable asset for any collector or investor. Whether you're a seasoned numismatist or just beginning your journey, this dime represents an exciting opportunity to own a piece of America's rich minting legacy. Next up, the 1988 Roosevelt dime with the P mint mark, found in circulation condition. This coin has caught the attention of collectors everywhere, and its rarity, combined with its unique history, makes it a true gem in today's coin market. If you're passionate about coins or just starting your collection, this particular dime is definitely one you want to know about and keep an eye on. Let's start by exploring the fascinating history and background of the Roosevelt dime itself. Introduced in 1946 to honor President Franklin D. Roosevelt, this dime replaced the winged Liberty Head design and has since become one of the most recognizable coins in American currency. Roosevelt was chosen for the dime due to his leadership and commitment to public service, especially with his association to the March of Dimes campaign against polio. The 1988 Roosevelt dime carries on this legacy, and despite being a modern coin, certain variations and mint marks make some of these dimes exceptionally valuable to collectors. Now, what makes the 1988 Roosevelt dime with the P mint mark truly stand out? Typically, dimes minted in Philadelphia prior to 1980 didn't carry a mint mark, so seeing a P mint mark on a 1988 dime is an intriguing feature. This unexpected mint mark on a coin of this year is considered a unique anomaly, and coins exhibiting this characteristic are rare to find in circulation. The presence of the P mint mark on a 1988 dime is a fascinating testament to the complexities of coin minting and the small variations that can dramatically impact a coin's value. This coin's unique feature is the key driver behind its high demand among collectors who understand the significance of such rarities. Speaking of rarity, the 1988 Roosevelt dime with the P mint mark in circulation condition is highly coveted in the collector community. Circulation condition coins often face wear and tear, which generally reduces their value, but this dime defies the norm due to its scarcity. Many collectors prize the chance to own a rare mint mark variation, even if the coin shows signs of circulation. Its rarity, combined with being a legitimate, genuine circulation coin, makes it a prized find, sparking competitive bidding whenever it hits the market. The fact that you can find such a rare piece outside of pristine, uncirculated sets adds to its allure and demand. When we talk about the current market value of this remarkable dime, the numbers are truly impressive. Depending on the condition and specific grading by experts, these coins can fetch a significant premium over their face value. On average, a 1988 Roosevelt dime with a P mint mark in circulation condition can command a value ranging from $700,000 among collectors who understand its rarity. The strong collector interest means that this coin's market value continues to rise steadily, reflecting a perfect storm of scarcity and demand. If you happen to own one, you're sitting on a coin with growing monetary potential that is catching serious attention from numismatic investors. For collectors eager to add this rare dime to their portfolio, there are some important tips to keep in mind. First, always verify the authenticity and condition of the coin through professional grading services or reputable dealers. Since the P mint mark on a 1988 dime is so rare, counterfeit or altered coins can unfortunately circulate, so expert confirmation is essential. Additionally, staying connected with numismatic communities and auction platforms will help you track the availability and pricing trends. Patience and diligence can pay off handsomely as demand for these coins continues to grow. It's a fantastic opportunity to enhance any collection with a piece that combines history, rarity, and real market value. In conclusion, the 1988 Roosevelt dime with the P mint mark in circulation condition stands out as a rare and highly desirable coin in today's numismatic market. Its unique mint mark anomaly, combined with its historical significance and growing collector demand, make it an excellent investment for both novice and experienced coin enthusiasts. Keep your eyes peeled, and if you come across one, you're holding a truly special piece of American coinage history.